This 2024 Airstream Flying Cloud 30 FBQ office is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 31 feet 2 inches in length and features a Seattle Mist, Sunlit Maple interior, sleep 6, leveling jacks, water heater, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, external shower, stove top burner, oven, TV, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Airstream Flying Cloud 30 FBQ office is 6,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.